A few months ago, I found myself constantly struggling to keep my home clean. No matter how much time I spent tidying up, things just never stayed organized. That's when I decided to adopt 28 simple daily habits that completely transformed my home. In this video, I'm going to walk you through each of these habits and show you exactly how they can make a difference in your daily routine. 1. Make your bed every morning. I know you're probably thinking, really? That's your first tip. But hear me out. Making your bed every morning is like setting the tone for the rest of your day. It's a small win that can give you a sense of accomplishment before you've even had breakfast. Plus, coming home to a made bed at the end of a long day is oddly satisfying. It's like your past self is giving your present self a high five. And let's be honest, it takes all of 2 minutes. 2. The 2-minute rule. Speaking of 2 minutes, let's talk about the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away. Hanging up your coat instead of tossing it on a chair. Putting dishes in the dishwasher instead of the sink. You'd be amazed at how many little tasks fall into this category and how much cleaner your home stays when you tackle them immediately. 3. Declutter daily. Okay, I can almost hear your groans through the screen. But stay with me here. I'm not talking about Marie Kondoing your entire house every day. Just take 5 to 10 minutes each evening to put things back where they belong. It's like giving your home a mini reset before bed. 4. Create a cleaning schedule. I used to approach cleaning like a marathoner, saving it all up for one exhausting weekend of scrubbing and scouring. Spoiler alert, it wasn't fun and it wasn't sustainable. Now I break cleaning tasks into manageable chunks throughout the week. Mondays are for bathrooms, Tuesdays for dusting, and so on. It's less overwhelming and keeps your home consistently clean. 5. Embrace the one-in, one-out rule. This one's a game changer for preventing clutter buildup. For every new item you bring into your home, one item has to go. Bought a new shirt. Time to donate one you have not worn in ages. It keeps your possessions in check and makes you more mindful of what you're bringing into your space. 6. Clean as you cook. I'll admit, I used to be the queen of post-dinner kitchen disasters. Pots, pans, and utensils everywhere, and a sink full of dishes that made me want to order takeout for a week. Now I clean as I cook. While the pasta's boiling, I'll wipe down counters. While the sauce is simmering, I'll load the dishwasher. It makes after-dinner cleanup a breeze. 7. Keep cleaning supplies handy. Store cleaning supplies where you actually use them. Keep bathroom cleaners in the bathroom, kitchen cleaners under the sink, etc. It makes it so much easier to tackle messes as they happen rather than putting them off because you don't want to trek to the other side of the house for supplies. 8. Adopt the don't put it down, put it away mentality. This one took some practice, but it's been a total game changer. Instead of putting things down just for now, make a habit of putting them away immediately. It's like playing a constant game of everything has a home with yourself. 9. Do a load of laundry every day. If you have a family, or if you are like me and change outfits more often than a pop star during a concert, doing a small load of laundry each day can prevent the dreaded laundry mountain from forming. Plus, it's much less overwhelming than facing a week's worth of dirty clothes all at once. 10. Invest in good storage solutions. Good storage can make or break your organizing efforts. Invest in containers, baskets, and organizers that fit your space and your stuff. It's so much easier to keep things tidy when everything has a designated spot. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. 11. Keep surfaces clear. This one's simple but effective. Keep your surfaces as clear as possible. It not only looks neater, but also makes cleaning a breeze. Plus, it's much harder for clutter to accumulate when there's no surface for it to land on. 12. Use a doormat. A good doormat can trap up to 80% of the dirt and grime that would otherwise be tracked into your home. That's a lot less sweeping and mopping for you. Make sure to shake it out regularly to keep it effective. 13. Implement a no shoes inside policy. Speaking of keeping dirt out, consider implementing a no shoes inside policy. It might feel a bit awkward at first, especially with guests, but it can significantly reduce the amount of dirt and bacteria brought into your home. Plus, it's a great excuse to invest in some cute, comfy slippers. 14. Set up a command center. Create a designated spot near your entryway for keys, mail, and other items you need as you come and go. It prevents these items from cluttering up other surfaces and makes it easier to find what you need when you're rushing out the door. 15. Use microfiber cloths. Microfiber cloths are like the superhero of cleaning tools. They trap dust and dirt instead of just pushing it around, and they work great for cleaning almost any surface. Plus, they're reusable, which is a win for both your wallet and the environment. 16. Keep your cleaning tools clean. It sounds obvious, but it's easy to forget. Clean your cleaning tools regularly. A dirty mop or sponge isn't going to do much good. Make sure to wash or replace your cleaning tools as needed to keep them effective. 17. Tackle paper clutter immediately. Paper clutter can accumulate fast if you're not careful. Deal with mail, bills, and other papers as soon as they come in. File what needs to be kept, recycle what you don't need, and shred sensitive documents. Your future self will thank you for not having to sort through a mountain of papers later. 18. Use the touch it once rule. This goes hand in hand with dealing with paper clutter. The touch it once rule means that when you pick something up, you make a decision about it right then and there. No more shuffling papers from one pile to another. 19. Clean your sink every night. A clean, shiny sink can make your whole kitchen feel cleaner. Plus, waking up to a spotless sink sets a positive tone for the day. It only takes a minute or two, and it's become one of my favorite nightly rituals. 20. Use baskets for quick cleanups. Keep a few empty baskets around the house. When you need to do a quick tidy up, you can toss items into the baskets and deal with them later. It's not a long-term solution, but it's great for those "oh no, someone's at the door" moments. 21. Clean your fridge before grocery shopping. Before you head out for your weekly grocery run, take a few minutes to clean out your fridge. Toss expired items, wipe down shelves, and take stock of what you have. It'll make putting away groceries easier and prevent forgotten foods from turning into science experiments in the back of your fridge. 22. Use a shower squeegee. Keep a squeegee in your shower and give the walls a quick once-over after each use. It takes less than a minute and can significantly reduce soap scum and water spots, making your deep cleaning sessions much easier. 23. Keep cleaning wipes in every bathroom. Store a container of cleaning wipes in each bathroom. It makes it easy to quickly wipe down surfaces throughout the week, preventing grime buildup and reducing the need for deep cleaning. 24. Implement the one-in, one-out rule for your wardrobe. We talked about this rule earlier, but it's especially useful for managing your wardrobe. For every new piece of clothing you buy, donate or sell one you no longer wear. It keeps your closet from getting overstuffed and makes it easier to keep tidy. 25. Use dryer dividers. Dryer dividers are a game changer for keeping drawers organized. Use them in your kitchen for utensils, in your bedroom for socks and underwear, or in your office for supplies. They make it so much easier to find what you need and put things back where they belong. 26. Clean your cleaning appliances. Don't forget to clean your cleaning appliances. Run an empty load in your dishwasher with a cup of white vinegar once a month to keep it fresh and efficient. Similarly, clean your washing machine regularly to prevent mold and mildew buildup. 27. Use a robot vacuum. If it's within your budget, a robot vacuum can be a real game changer. Set it to run daily, and you'll never have to worry about dust bunnies accumulating under your furniture. It's like having a little cleaning elf that works while you're out living your life. 28. Practice gratitude for your home. It might sound a bit woo-woo, but taking a moment each day to appreciate your living space can make you more motivated to take care of it. Plus, it's a great way to shift your mindset from "I have to clean" to "I get to care for my home." And there you have it, 28 everyday habits that can transform your home from chaos to calm. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's about creating habits that work for you and your lifestyle. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these habits are you excited to try? Do you have any cleaning tips of your own to share? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below.